Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to make a temporary burner email account so that way you could send it out to people, and if they need to send you a message and you don't want to give out your real email address, it's kind of similar to using an alias, except you're not using an alias on your real address. It's just a temporary account that will expire within 24 hours. So it's a website called burner.kiwi. So once you go there, it'll automatically create one for you. Even if you click on refresh here, it's going to keep the same one. And refresh here as well. But what you can do if you want to make your own, so if you want something that's not so generic like that, you could click on the edit button here. So let's just say have a Bob. And you click on submit, then it'll change it to that. So even if you were to take this and open up a new tab here and paste it in again, it's going to keep that same email address. So now if we have somebody send us an email to this address here, make it a secret email. You can't do attachments or images within the body, so it's just text. So I'll click on send here. Then I'll go back and wait for it to come in, which usually happens pretty quick. All right, so a little refresh there to kind of speed up the process. So here's our secret email, just like that. So once you have emails in here, they pretty much have to stay. You would think this would delete the email, but it's not. If you click on delete this, you'll get a message. You want to delete this inbox, you will not have access to the emails you have received. So if you do that, it'll delete this whole account here plus any email. But then after 24 hours, it's going to delete it anyways. So just keep that in mind. So like I said, it's just an easy way to have a burner, I guess you could call it, email that you could send out to people. So if you don't want to give your real email, they could just send you some emails using this account until it expires. Oh, and then also one other thing, you could go to the FAQ here if you want to read some more information about how it works, like so. All right, so I will put a link in the description, then you could check it out for yourself and make yourself temporary email addresses. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.